morning guys! For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng ating bagong drone. This is DJI Avata 2. Galing kay Pro Gadgets. So, thank you Pro Gadgets sa pag-send ng bago nating drone. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. So, today lang pala guys na-launch itong drone na ito. And yan, mukhang secure na secure ang kanyang packaging guys. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano karaming tape. Pero walang bubble wrap. And guys, na-unbox na natin ang first box. So, doon tayo sa second box. So, sadly guys, hindi na natin to matitest flight. Kasi medyo gabi na. So, this video will cover only the unboxing part. So, yung review natin will be coming soon. Siguro pag-uwi na lang natin galing sa travel. And ayan na siya guys. Tadaan! The DJI Avata guys. So, may pa-freebie si paring Pro Gadget. Memory card na 64GB, SanDisk Extreme. Ayan na siya. I got the Flymore combo guys. So, this drone or this package has the 3 batteries and the Goggles 3. Yan. Goggles 3 guys, ProMotion, and the drone itself. So guys, meron din pala tayong bagong unboxing knife. Yan. Care of National Bookstore. Nawawala yung ating Stanley. Tadaan! So dito guys, nandito yung kanyang pull tab. So, whoops. And what's in the box is another box. Joke. It's a bag. So may kasama pala siya guys na bag. Since nga, ang in-avail natin is the Flymore combo. Yan, unbox natin. Saan ba to? Sorry guys, first time ko kasi to. Na mag-unbox nang may nanunood. So, ayan guys, ito yung laman ng kanyang box. Dito muna tayo guys sa first compartment niya. So, dito, ayan, bukod sa silica gel, let's set this aside. Nakikita ko is meron ditong Allen wrench, USB cable, propeller, extra propeller, another propeller, another propeller, and another propeller. And guys, this is, I don't know what is this. So, mayroon din siya kasama na OTG cable. And then, padding nung goggles. Tapos ito, I think, what is this? Oh, yung lens nung goggles. So, yeah. Set that aside na muna natin. Ito na yung kanyang mismo motion controller, which I think is nakakalitong gamitin. So, nag-order na rin pala ako guys nung kanyang remote. So, darating daw sabi ni Pro Gadget is tomorrow. Ayan, ito yung kanya guys na battery. May kasama ng 3 batteries. Ayan, at kasama na rin yung kanyang charging dock. And then, ito naman yung kanyang goggles. So, ayun. Grabe yung plastic ni DJI ah. So, yan. May mga cover pa. And, ito yung kanina na lens na sinasabi ko. Maganda dito guys sa kanyang bagong DJI Goggles 3 is mas lightweight na siya. And then, yung battery is integrated na dito sa likod. So, wala na yung mga nakasabit na battery cable kapag kayo ay magpapalipad ng drone. So, next natin guys, ang nakikita ko dito sa mismong bag niya is the drone itself, and that's it. So, 30% daw na mas magaan na itong DJI Avata 2. So, matatry natin yan. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako nag-try pa na magkameron ng FPV drone. So, this is my first time. And sakto naman, nung nagtumitingin-tingin ako ng mga drone, is lalabas na pala tong DJI Avata 2. So, ayun. Napabili na tayo. So, guys, ayun. That concludes our unboxing video. Yung review, guys, will be coming out soon. Ayun. So, quick recap. Ang kasama niya sa box is the drone, 3 batteries and a charger, DJI Goggles 3, and the motion control, and some extra propeller. Ayun. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below para ma-notify ka sa aking mga future travel. Let's go!